Look at this. You know what that is? It's chip. You know what that is? That's soda. You know what that is over here? That's cup. You know what that is? That's that. You know what that is? That's a Pokemon play birthday cake. You know what those are? Plastic balls. You know what those are? Cut knives. You know what that is? A Star Wars ball. You know what that is? Look at that time. Look at that time. Look at that time. That time is done. The time is here. Can't bring those Pokeballs. I would lost that. Look at that time. It's 7:21 in the morning. Kicking Christmas stuff. It fell. Dropping in water. Hitting water. Eating cat food. Oh, nothing. Dropping on tables and on cake pops. And bags too. Walking, rapping and tapping, walking and rapping and tapping, walking and rapping and tapping, falling in the sink, smashing things, knives, turning on the sink. Ow! I just bumped my head. Look at the time. Look at the time. Look at the time. Which one is wrong? Look at that butter stick. I just want to eat it right now. And can't eat more. I hate eating butter. I don't want to be thrown away in the super trash can. Sitting on a chair, I read them. Look at the bear. Look, beat the trigger. I look forward. That's the bucket. The tape. Grab the warbles. And going on. I like bye. Bye, polar bear. Womp, womp, womp. Look at that time.